the RedNote app to English, but not sure how because everything's in Chinese? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's dive in. First, open up the RedNote app on your phone. Now, look at the top left corner of your screen and tap on the three little lines. That's your menu button. At the bottom of the menu, and tap on the gear icon. This is the settings option. On the next page, tap the gear icon again. This will open more settings. Here's the key part. On this new page, tap the very first option. If you see English on the next screen, tap it and you're all set. If you don't see it, go back to the previous page and try tapping on the second option instead. Once you see English, just tap it and the app will switch to English. And that's all there is to it. See? Super easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more quick and helpful tutorials. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.